Hello friends and welcome to my channel Codecraft Shop. My name is Sailesh Kushwaha and in this tutorial we will learn how to create a project in OpenShift via web console, how to create a project in OpenShift using command line tool, and then we will have a demo. I will request all of you to go and watch my previous videos because we will be using some of the concepts in this video. We will use a term project. So what is a project in OpenShift? So a project in OpenShift contains multiple objects to make up a logical application. So what do you mean by objects in terms of OpenShift? So when we deploy any application onto the cluster or in OpenShift, we cannot deploy it directly. We need some namespace. So a project is a namespace in perspective to OpenShift. So that's why we are calling it as OpenShift contains multiple objects. So now let us move on to the first way of creating a project. First of all, we need to log into the web console using the credentials, and once we log in, we can create the project using two ways. One is using the developer mode and the another is using the administrator mode. But it depends on the user rights and permissions whether the user has right to create a project or not. So, restriction is imposed to maintain security because we cannot give right permissions to every developer to maintain the security of the cluster. The second way to create a project is using the OC command line tool. So first of all, we will log in into the OpenShift cluster using the command, and then we will use the command OC new project and then the name of the project. This command creates a project for you, and uh, then we will have a demo. Before moving on to the demo, I would request all of you to go to my previous videos, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please go and subscribe this channel because it will help you in getting the notifications of the latest videos that I will upload. So let us move on to the demo. So we have logged into the web console, and then in the developer mode, we are in the developer mode. What I will do is, like, we will create a project from this option inside projects, and there is a create project button. So I will click on this. So it will ask me for the project name. I will name as Codecraft Shop, and the display name is whatever you wanted to display it on the screen. So this is then I will click on create button. You will get this restricted access because the project is uh, you know in the creation mode. So that's why you will get this message. Once the project will be created, yeah, the notification will be away, and then you will be redirected to the topology page where you will see that uh, now the project has been created. It is asking for us to add some additional objects like the component services or deploy any application into the project. So we are inside the Codecraft Shop project. A project is created for us, Codecraft Shop. Now we will create the project using administrator mode. So in administrator mode, I have the permissions to either create or delete the project. So first of all, let me delete the project so that I will recreate it. So I have deleted the project, and then I am in the administrator mode, and I will be finding two options. One is this button and another is this button. So both of buttons will work for me. So I will click on this button. So I will name it as Codecraft Shop. I will click on create, and then it will, you know, land me to the overview page of this project. So here we can see that with the name of the project is Codecraft Shop, and the requester is this means I have logged in using this credential, so this is my email ID. So this is the credentials that I have used, and the status of the project is active. And here we will see what are the, different component that has been created. Since we haven't created any application, we just created a namespace, that is the project Codecraft. So no ports, no PVCs, no services, and no routes will be there. And this is about the, resource quota for this project. So this is the way, and once we go to the previous page, so it will display a project has been created for me. So this is the way of creating a project using the web console. Now we will be creating the project using the OC command line tool. So I will log in into the system. So this is the, I have logged in to my system, and you will be seeing that there is a project, there is still a project on the server. So first of all, let me delete that project. So the project has been deleted. Let me clear the screen so that it will be visible to you guys. So in order to create a project, I have to type OC new hyphen project, then the name of the project. So it will create a project for me already on and it will, navigate me to the same project that I have created by default. And then we will check the status of the application, or we can say that the project in this case. So if you can see, you have no services deployment configs or build configs. So it is saying me to run OC new app to create an application. So I will create the application in my next tutorial. So this is all about the, creating a project using the command line. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe, because it will help you in getting the notifications whenever I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at the handle Codecraft Shop. Thank you guys.